Angelica Villarreal Sarsa, and today I'll be performing the indwelling catheter return demonstration. So first, we have to check the bowel order because it is an invasive procedure and it increases the risk for infection. That is why it is needed to be justified. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Angelica Villarreal Sarsa po, your student nurse for today. May I know your name and when is your birthday, please? Okay, thank you po, ma'am. So I'm going to ask you po, do you have any allergies po into latex or iodine po? None so far. Okay, thank you po. So the purpose of this po is to relieve you from urinary retention, urinary incontinence, as well as to monitor your urine output accurately. So this type of catheterization po is indwelling catheterization, which means the catheter will remain inside po until it is medically discontinued. We will going to insert a soft tube po into your bladder, and this will help us drain your urine continuously. I'm going to perform hand washing po as I prepare the materials. And then I'm going to close the door, the curtains for your privacy po. And I'm going to cover you with a bath towel. And position you into a dorsal recumbent position. Then with the use of this absorbing pad, I'm going to place it behind your hips po. So in a count of 1, 2, 3 po, ma'am. Let's lift your hips now. 1, 2, 3. And then, okay, thank you very much. Then I'm going to apply clean gloves.
So, before we proceed to the catheterization, I'm gonna clean your cranium first.
With the use of this TNSS po, I'm going to pour it into your cranial area. Okay, and let's do the stroking. Make sure that one stroke at a time. One stroke, discard. Another stroke, discard.
I'm gonna pour your water.
Discard. After that is I'm going to remove my gloves. After removing my gloves is I'm going to place my sterile tray over here. So for easy access, open my pack. And do my gloving.
I'm gonna place my tray beside front of the sir, front and between the thighs, between your thighs, sir.
And then I'm going to drape you po, ma'am, ha. Drape and place the sterile dressing. Okay, lift your hips po. Okay, thank you. Doing good po, ma'am. And then we need to test the balloon. So you need to get
It touches your uniform already.
Then, with the use of the syringe with 10 ml normal saline, we're going to withdraw.
And
Then now, with the use of KY jelly, let's lubricate the tip of the catheter. Now, this is the time po that I will insert the catheter po, ha. So, you will feel a little pain po and discomfort, but please bear with it. Kindly breathe in, okay. Then I'm going to inflate the balloon. Okay, so to check if the balloon deflated, we are going to tug it gently, but make sure that we prepare a basin, but sometimes the urine drip mix. Okay, so it is now anchored. Next is, we're going to check if the bag is locked and attach it to the tube. With the use of the tape, we are going to secure it into the patient's inner thigh.
I'm gonna gently put it, sir. Okay. And I'm gonna put it.
And put the drainer, the bag below, but make sure it's not touching the floor. Next is we're going to dispose of the things that we have used, the materials. Using your
So I'm gonna do under here. And then I'm gonna do my gloves.
going to remove this. And this is your, let's go 1, 2, 3. I will remove my gloves. Perform hand hygiene. Make sure to reposition the patient into a comfortable position. And then document the procedure as well as the type of catheterization that we have performed and the urine characteristics. Thank you.